to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for blondies. That is basically brownies except without the chocolate. So let's get started.
Just some basic ingredients. We need 1 cup or 250 grams of melted butter, 1 1/4 cup or 250 grams of sugar, 1/2 cup or 100 grams of brown sugar, 3 eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract or 2 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 2 1/4 cup or 285 grams of flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt. In a large bowl, stir together melted butter, sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, baking powder, and salt. Stir in eggs, stir in flour, pour batter into greased 13 by 9 inch baking dish. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. These blondies are dense and heavy, just like brownies, but without the cocoa powder. So they are perfect for those who love the dense texture of brownies but don't love chocolate. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.